Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with this 3D printed tool. I got it from paint pour store. It has kind of, you can pour here and over here. So that's why I decided I want to place it kind of in the middle. That I will pour here black and white first, just to, I don't know, and here I will use some purples. I have permanent blue, violet, ultramarine blue, ultramarine violet, magenta, this is ultramarine light, and this is ultramarine. Yeah, so I will start with black and white here first, and of course all my paints are mixed with pouring medium, and let's see how this will look at first, and then we will go from there. And when you pour in this part, your paints stay separate, but here they will mix a little more. I just hope that I don't have my paints too similar, or how can I say, because I have just purple shades. I'm kind of tempted to use just this one, I don't know, because there is such a beautiful design. I will change my plan. So now I will go with ultramarine violet. And white, and black. And now I will go with permanent blue violet. This time I will leave it like it is, but I will try again And at this point, if I would do just black and whites, I would pour into this one and it would flow in the middle there and do something in the middle. But for today I will leave it like it is. I will just pour some white around. What I will lift this carefully. Okay, I really like that, but maybe I will use some skewer. I will grab this dotting tool and I will just add a little something to this. And I will leave it like it is, and now I will spin it out. So let's see. So I want now that it will go a little more to this side, so I will just place my canvas more to that side. And now a little more to this side still. Okay. Now I can place it back in the middle. I like it, but for the next time I will do just black and white and one row of colors, just to have a small colorful thing here. And I will definitely use some different colors, because I'm not a big fan of those together, but it was an experiment. So let me take you down for a close-up. Here she is. I think that it would be nice with yellows, because it kind of reminds of a sunflower in a way, I will say. I don't know. Definitely we'll play with both, you know, pouring over here and in here to see the difference. But I really like this middle part from this one more than the petals even, so I don't want to cover that. But yeah, I like it. Dried results will be on Wednesday video, because it's Monday. I poured this today. I had some really big house projects with Raiko, so didn't have time to paint, but I'm happy that I painted today, because I like this one. Yeah, maybe you can tell me in the comments which colors with black and white you want me to try, because I will try one with black and white Maybe I should do one just with black and white and maybe gold or something here and there. Yeah. I'm open for your ideas. Thanks for being here. Have a nice Monday and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.